Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. Only one sidekick has shown up for work today. Wyatt is here and in the house and ready for another exciting video. Wyatt loves videos, right? We're outside and we'll see how everybody cooperates. It already sounds like my neighbors are getting noisy. Hopefully it doesn't come across on video because we're trying to get this done before it rains. And Wyatt likes to chase the bugs, and usually he stays awake when we're outside. Alright, so the exciting video I have planned for you today is my Glamour Jewelry Box. Love Glamour Jewelry Box. Love this. It is a monthly jewelry subscription. Whatever you get is yours to keep. $29.95 a month. You get 3 pieces of jewelry that are always a pair of earrings and a bracelet and a necklace. And they do such a great job curating these pieces. I always love them. And if you are new to Glamour Jewelry Box and would like to give it a try, I do have a code, HAPPY. If you use the code HAPPY, you will get a free piece of jewelry added to your set. So you'll get a 4th piece that's valued at $25. So generally for your $29.99, it's $29.95 a month and $3.50 shipping, $3.50 for shipping. And generally your set is worth $75 or more. Alright, it always comes in this pretty little pouch. They did switch over to sustainable packaging. And let's see what this month's looks like. You always get little cards that tell you about your jewelry. And it looks like I pulled out the necklace first. Everything always comes nicely packaged. And this one looks like it has pretty little crystals in it. What do you guys think of that? I think that's very pretty. I love the gold. Usually you get a bigger card too. Oh, I did. There's always a card. Look, I got straight to the jewelry and didn't tell you what the card says. I'm going to put this on and then I'll read the card and then we'll talk about the necklace. All right. This is so pretty. I love it. I love the little crystals on it. All right. Says, summer starts now. What better way to kick off summer than elevating your summer look with some new jewelry? Get ready to soak up the sun and celebrate your sense of style with your summer glamour jewelry pieces. You deserve it. Glamour Jewelry Box. All right. I love it. A beach theme too. All right, this is so pretty. Let's talk about this necklace. Let's do it. So this is called the Star Bright necklace. The retail value of it is $30. It is by Madison Parker. And it says, a strand of delicate diamonds makes this a simple statement. This necklace can be paired with any look, providing the extra touch of timeless style. So this is so pretty. And I like where it sits, so it's perfect. It's not too long, it's not too short. I think it's very, very pretty. Okay, there's more. What's next? Ooh, look at these. Lovely, lovely earrings. I love the pink. What do you think of those, Wyatt? So pretty. I love the dangle. What do you guys think of those? Those are so pretty. I wear a lot of my Glamour Jewelry Box pieces. If you guys have caught my What I Wore videos, you'll see me wearing a lot of those in my daily life. I love these pieces. This is such a pretty color for summer and will go, even though they're pink, they're a paler pink and would go with so much. And these are the Mia earrings. They are a retail value of $24. And I don't think any of these prices are inflated when they give you the retail value. What do you guys think? These are so pretty. such a pretty set. Okay. These are by Laurel and Rose. And it says the Mia earring with their gorgeous glass drop design are lightweight and easy to wear. These earrings add a perfect statement that goes from a day at work to an evening out. So pretty. These are gorgeous. They'll go with just about anything. I love them. Okay, there's still another piece. All right, this is the bracelet. Let's see if I can get it open. Maybe not. This is called the Harlow bracelet. Let me see if I can. This is very pretty. What do you guys think of that? Very pretty. It is adjustable. So here's what it looks like on. What do you guys think of that? That is pretty. So this was a retail value of $24, or no, I'm sorry, $25. Yes, the Harlow bracelet. This is by the Sophia collection. And it says the Harlow bracelet is an adjustable and easy to wear piece. Its beautiful crescent pendant shines while braiding a dainty and simple back. So I think that is really pretty. So here's all three pieces. Which one's your favorite? I like all three. I think my favorites are between the earrings and necklace, which I think are super versatile. But the bracelet's very pretty too. So that means that this set would be valued at $79. So pretty. What do you guys think? All right, I loved all three of my Glamour Jewelry Box pieces this month. I think this is perfect for summer. It does really have a nice summer vibe to it, don't you guys think? All right, so that is my set for this month. I think that they did a great job. I really like these. I feel like I'd be reaching for these a lot. I think this one would be a great layering piece too. So you could wear this with other pieces if you wanted the necklace. You could do the same with the bracelet also. And I tightened it up so it wouldn't move a lot, but then it does make this dangle a little bit, which you just should be careful with, but still so pretty. All right. That is everything, guys. I will put all the information down below in case you want to check Glamour Jewelry Box out. And don't forget that code HAPPY if you do want to sign up. So you'll get an extra piece in your first box worth $25. Thank you so much for spending time with me and Wyatt today. We so appreciate it. Would love you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hang out with us for the long haul. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I have the very best subscribers. You guys rock. Until next time, everyone, stay healthy, stay well. Bye-bye.